everyone. Welcome back. Today we're taking a close look at the 2026 Honda Civic, one of the most popular compact cars in the world, now refreshed and upgraded for 2026. Whether you're after efficiency, technology, practicality, or driving enjoyment, the Civic has long balanced those needs, and Honda has dialed things up again. In this video I'll walk you through the exterior design, interior comfort, powertrain options including hybrid, safety features, electrical systems, utility, pricing, and release timing so you know exactly what to expect. Let's get started. Exterior features. Body panels. The 2026 Civic features refined body panels built with high-strength steel and lighter materials for both rigidity and efficiency. The styling updates include sharper lines along the doors and a more dynamic silhouette, giving the car a sportier presence while maintaining its sleek compact form. These panels are designed not just for looks. Improved aerodynamics reduce drag, helping fuel efficiency and reducing wind noise at speed. Headlights. Up front you'll find updated LED projector headlights with a crisp daytime running light signature that gives the Civic a modern, premium look. These lights feature an adaptive high beam assist that adjusts automatically to oncoming traffic and surrounding conditions, meaning you get better nighttime and low-light visibility without dazzling other drivers. Taillights. At the rear, the 2026 model brings refined LED taillights that wrap around the body for a wider visual stance. The lights are faster to respond, brighter, and more energy efficient. Their design enhances safety, ensuring following drivers clearly see braking action, while contributing to the Civic's refreshed aesthetics. Grille. The front grille is more refined and purposeful this year. A slimmer chrome surround, tight mesh pattern, and active airflow shutters behind it. The shutters open when extra engine cooling is required, e.g., under load or in hot climates, and close during steady cruising to optimize efficiency, helping the Civic maintain composure and performance while keeping fuel usage in check. Interior comfort and convenience. Seats. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Civic offers seats that are crafted for both comfort and long-distance support. The front seats feature improved lumbar support and optional heating in higher trims. Materials have been upgraded to include softer surfaces and refined stitching. Rear seats provide good head and leg room for the class, making the Civic a strong option for everyday use, family life or highway cruising. Dashboard. The dashboard is redesigned to be driver-centric and intuitive. A large central display, simple climate controls, and high-quality materials create a premium feel. The instrument cluster offers clear visibility of important data, while the overall layout ensures minimal distraction and a sense of control behind the wheel. Infotainment system. The new infotainment system features a large touchscreen running Honda's latest interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and built-in navigation and connected services come on higher trims. The interface is snappier than before, with faster menu transitions and improved responsiveness, important when you're driving and need quick access to directions or media. Steering wheel. The multi-function steering wheel provides easy access to audio, phone, cruise functions and drive mode selection. It is leather-wrapped, on higher trims, and ergonomically shaped to keep hands comfortable during longer drives. Paddle shifters may not be standard in the non-performance version, but the wheel itself gives a direct and refined feel for the class. Powertrain components. Engine. The base petrol engine for the 2026 Civic sedan is a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder producing around 150 horsepower. It's paired with a continuously variable transmission (CVT), delivering smooth acceleration, good low-end responsiveness, and respectable fuel efficiency EPA ratings of approximately 32 city, 41 highway mpg in some trims. This engine is ideal for daily commuting, offering a balanced mix of performance and economy. Hybrid option. For the 2026 Civic, Honda offers a hybrid variant that pairs a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with electric motors for a combined output of approximately 200 horsepower. This hybrid system provides instantaneous electric torque, smoother takeoffs, and superior fuel economy, especially in city driving. It's a strong choice if you want both efficiency and responsiveness. Safety and driver assistance. Airbags. The 2026 Civic includes a comprehensive airbag system with front, side impact, curtain, and driver knee airbags. Honda's advanced safety architecture is designed to protect occupants effectively in collisions, making it a dependable choice for family and driver safety. Parking assist. Honda's driver assist suite is robust in the 2026 Civic. Features include a rear view camera, rear cross traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. In higher trims you'll also get a 360-degree camera view and automated parking assist, helpful in tight city spaces and for peace of mind in busy areas. Electrical and lighting systems. Battery. In the hybrid version, the Civic uses a high-efficiency lithium-ion battery pack which supports the electric motors and regenerative braking. This allows the vehicle to capture energy during deceleration and reuse it, improving overall fuel economy and reducing reliance on the internal combustion engine. Lighting. Interior ambient lighting is improved in the 2026 Civic, offering softer illumination and refined styling cues. Exterior lighting uses full LED technology for both headlights and taillights, offering better brightness, faster response time and lower energy consumption compared to older halogen systems. Charging. For the hybrid variant, the Civic does not require plug-in charging. The battery charges via regenerative braking and engine assist. This means you enjoy hybrid efficiency without needing to plug in. It keeps the convenience of a regular petrol car with some of the benefits of electrified driving. Cargo and utility. Trunk space. The 2026 Civic sedan offers a cargo capacity of around 14.8 cubic feet. The trunk opening is wide, and the floor is relatively flat, making loading and unloading easier. For everyday tasks like groceries, luggage or gear, the space is competitive among compact sedans. Folding seats. Although the sedan version focuses on passenger comfort, the rear seats still fold down, typically 60/40 split, to expand cargo capacity when needed. This flexibility is valuable for transporting longer items while keeping two passengers in back. Roof rails. While not all trims may include roof rails, higher trim versions of the 2026 Civic may offer optional roof rail systems, useful for mounting racks, cargo boxes or sports equipment, enhancing utility for active lifestyles or weekend trips. Pricing. The 2026 Honda Civic sedan starts at approximately $24,595 United States dollars for the base LX trim in the United States. Higher trims and hybrid versions naturally cost more depending on options and markets. For many buyers, this pricing represents excellent value in the compact segment. Release date. The 2026 Honda Civic is currently listed with details for the US market, and it is expected to be available in dealerships later in 2025 into early 2026.